guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Kanak Infosystems LLP. Today my topic is how to create responsive layout in Flutter. Create a first a Flutter app. This is my Flutter app. I will use responsive builder widget for responsive app. Add this responsive builder dependency. Copy this dependency and add this YML file. This is responsive builder dependency. This property is used to check the type of device like mobile, tablet and desktop. This information about the screen size and device type. Then after create one stateful widget. This is my stateful widget. Like add first screen layout type builder. Then after add mobile view, tablet view and desktop view. This is 3 layout like a mobile, tablet and desktop view. Run this app and check the responsive layout. This is a tablet view. This is mobile view. Change this color. Tablet view. And this is a desktop view.